In Zerodha, there is new order type which is opening from today morning. So it is opening as something as quick. So this is a quick order window type is what I believe. So this order can be used when you have to place the order very quickly or something like that. So this doesn't have any options like as you see in a regular window. So the regular window is like a bit rectangular shape. It has a lot of options like you have to put regular order, cover order, AMOR, iceberg, anything like that. So it has an option like that. But when you select quick, there is no options like that. You just enter the quantity what you need to trade and you can just click on buy and your trade will be executed. Okay, and if you don't want to place in intraday, you can just untick it, so that will automatically be converted into the CNC trade. Okay, or if you want to keep anything as a limit price, you have to click on this button and then you can type in your price for the limit order. So yes, it's just an quick interference to keep the orders very quickly is what I believe. So this is a new feature by Zerodha what they have updated. So this option was available for me from today morning. So yes, I think they have done this new update in a very recent time, and that's why they have given this new order type, that is quick order type window, which is quite useful if you are planning to keep any of the trades in very emergency or in very urgent way. So if you know anything that you have to place quick orders, or if you don't want any options like this to keep any trigger price, or you don't want to keep any limit price or anything like that, you can just come here and click on quick, just enter the quantity and click on buy and it will be executed. So it is default is in a market price, but if you click on this pencil icon, then you can see this limit price option coming in. So yes, this is a new option by Zerodha. So they have done this update. So let me know if you guys like this feature and let me know how you guys will use this feature. And if you like this video, do let me know in the comment section, and also do subscribe to my channel for daily updates and lot of educational videos. And also, if you guys want to be a consistent profitable trader in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. With my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skills to make you as a profitable trader. And also, once you join us, you get everyday live market personal support as well. You can just go inside my channel and watch a lot of educational videos and daily live trades what I've uploaded from almost 5 years plus on consistent basis. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit from today in intraday trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me and communicate with me personally, and I shall guide you the all plan what is required to make consistent profit in intraday trading.